Hello, my name is WC and I'm going to give a short little demonstration on use of a swivel knife. Swivel knives come in many different sizes, many different barrel sizes. They're adjustable in length. They come with different types of blades, straight blades, angle blades. Every carver has a different opinion of what's best, and most of us have many blades for different purposes. Straight blades, I find, work better when I'm doing long straight lines like borders, things like that. The swivel knife is held straight up and down, not tilted left or right, and leans slightly forward. Depending on how tight it turns, you may have to lean it a lot more forward. For straight lines, the knife is set on the guideline that you're following. I don't lean it very far forward so that I can see the end of the blade right over my guideline, and it is drawn straight to you. Just like that. For curved lines, circles, things like that, I start with the blade at a 90-degree angle to me. Using just my thumb and my finger, I follow my line. When I've gone as far as I can go, take the knife out, rotate the leather back around, stick the knife back in a little ways back of where you stopped, continue on again, go as far as you can go, stop, reposition your leather, put the knife back in, continue carving. Continue on through. Now I can take it to the end of my cut, and I fade my cut out at the end of the line. The angle blade is going to be the same. I'm going to be going in a clockwise direction where I was going counterclockwise on the other one. Set it in 90-degree angle. Now I can hold my knife a lot more straight up and down. I don't have to lean it and worry about scuffing the blade across the top of my leather. I find the angle blade most of the time is better for me to work with. Most of the time we do not push the blade unless you have learned to control it well. Now for little shortcuts, decorations, things like that, the knife is stuck in and pulled and let out. Pull it in, let out. These would be similar to the decorative cuts that you would make in your flowers and things like that. This is just scroll carving, something that you can do just for good practice. And it doesn't matter whether you prefer a straight blade or the angle. You can do similar. I just have to lean my blade a lot further so that I don't scuff. But straight blade will do the same things. But you always want to sink it in, let it out at the end of the cut so it fades away. Get down into little cuts like that. It's basically just touching it with the knife. And that's your basics of how to use a swivel knife.